Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you are.
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Marion here, and today I'm going to show you how to slay this Shein braided wig. If you like the look of this wig and you're interested in seeing how I did this, then keep on watching. Okay, first you want to start with your lace spray. I normally use the Ebin Sports Edition spray, which is this white one here. I spray it along my hairline and use my fingers to kind of spread it across my hairline. After that, I'll use a fan just to make the spray nice and tacky so that the wig can adhere to my forehead. So this spray is really good. One layer will usually get your wig on for a day or two. I'm using 2 layers just for longevity of my wig. Okay, so this is the wig. This is a lace French curl braided wig, and I think it's about 28 inches. As I said before, it's from Shein. Here I am just positioning the wig, and I want a side part just for reference. Now this wig is quite old. I've had it for about 2-3 years, so obviously I've cut the lace off and I've completely removed all the baby hairs. As you can see, I also cut off a section on my ear tab just to make it fit better on my head. So yeah, these wigs can actually last you quite a long time. Like I said, I've had this about 2-3 years, and this interestingly was the first braided wig I ever tried, and I still have it to this day. Okay, once you've got your position down, you can go over your lace at the front with a bit more spray if you feel that there's certain areas that haven't stuck down properly. And you most want to concentrate on the forehead and the sides closer to where your ears are. I use this back of the comb just to push it down. You can see like my ear tab section wasn't really stuck down properly because where I've cut the lace previously, it's a bit harder to glue. Okay, so I'm happy with the position, and next I'm going to use an elastic band, just how you would do with a normal lace wig. So I clip the hair back. I'm actually going to try and first again push down my ear tabs. I really want to make sure that this doesn't lift up. So I'm just taking my time to push that in before putting on the elastic band, which you can see here. And I normally leave my band in for as much as possible, at least 15 to 20 minutes before I take it off. Another thing I like to do is, whilst the elastic band is on, I like to kind of flatten the wig with my hands. Braided wigs can kind of look a bit bulky, so I'm just like pushing it down. Sometimes I'll actually sew it down to make it look flatter. And then finally, I'm ready to take off the elastic band, and you will see in just a second, the wig is fully secured on my head. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Once the elastic band comes off, I'm just checking that the lace is fully secured all the way around, and then I'm going to use some alcohol just to clean up the excess spray, because obviously there's like a mark there. Then I'll use my NARS Laguna bronzer, and I will just go over the hairline of the lace wig just to make sure it blends in fully with my natural skin tone. And that is actually basically it. The wig is on, it's blended in with my skin, and I'm just going to turn around and show you how long the hair looks, how full it looks. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think this is such an easy hack for that braided look, and it's like ideal for the summer or like if you're going on holiday. Really, really cute. And like I've had this wig, like I said, for 2 to 3 years, so they last quite well. And I think this looks like, obviously you know it's a wig, but I think it looks really, really natural. And coming off Shein, obviously it was more affordable as well. Yeah, I'm just going to show you using a claw clip. You can just clip it to the back of your head. So slightly versatile, obviously not fully versatile. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Have you purchased a braided wig before? What were your thoughts? Any recommendations that you have for braided wigs, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this a thumbs up if you did. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you. Bye.